Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. So today we're going to do something a little bit special for a friend of mine. We're going to be using the LaserPecker 3, which is their fiber laser, and we're going to be engraving a logo onto this cool little foldable drone. A friend of mine is really into fireworks, so I wanted to do something really special for him for fireworks season when he gets ready to start doing some of those cool fireworks shows. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring in a graphic. Now, luckily, he did provide this graphic for me, so it's going to make it much easier for me to just grab it and download this to my phone, and then I'll show you guys how I'm going to set this up inside of the LaserPecker app. So let me grab the image and do a quick save here. All right, so now I have my image saved. So as you guys can see here on my phone, here's the LaserPecker app. All I have to do is click on this app just like so. Now I will have to connect to the laser, so let me go ahead and make sure the laser's turned on. I am using their portable battery. This is a 5200 milliamp hour battery, and some kits will come with this battery. Of course, you can just plug this directly into wall power. When you first turn the laser on, it's going to start to blink. As you guys see here, it's going to look like a Cylon from Battlestar Galactica, and it's just letting you know it's ready to connect. So in your app, all you have to do is go up here to Bluetooth devices, and it should search for it and automatically find it. So let's give it a second, see if it finds it. If not, I'll just tap on it and see that it finds it. Yes, it is connected. All right, now it's connected, so we're ready to go. So at this point, all I have to do is go over and find my graphic that we want to use. So we're going to use this one right here that says Boom in the Sky. As you guys can see that. We're going to select it, and we're going to go next. As you guys can see here, that's the graphic we're going with. And we're going to go next. And now what I need to determine is how large do I want this to actually be on this, this drone. So the easiest way to determine that is to use something like one of these little digital calibers. Now I'm going to zero this out so I can get the measurements of the drone. So this is coming in at 54 millimeters. So if you guys can see that, that's coming in at 54 millimeters. So we want to be somewhere within that range. It doesn't have to be completely 54 millimeters. So I think 50 millimeters should be good. So I'm going to set this at 1K. And I'm going to do 50 millimeters. Let's just do 45. Let's do 45 millimeters. And you guys can see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a preview so I can see exactly where the outline is going to be. The lasers software will ask you for your login code. So now I can kind of move this around just a little bit to get it about right where I want it, which is about there. Now I still need to focus the laser. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's two little red dots. If you guys see those dots right there. Now on top of the laser, you guys have controls that are right here. That's going to allow you to raise and lower the laser. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the laser up until those dots come together. So when those dots become one dot, we know that we're in focus. We're almost there. And right there. So as you guys see, we have one dot, so we are in focus. So now we're ready to run this job. So all I need to do at this point is to quit the preview. So it's going to quit preview, as you guys see here. Then we're going to go next, and it's going to transfer the file over to the laser from my phone. Now what I'm going to do here is go in and choose which material I want to use. Now obviously this is a drone, so we know that it's plastic. So I'm just going to choose plastic as the preset. And the preset on that is 100% power at 5% depth, 1 pass. That's what we're going for, is 100% power, 5% depth, 1 pass. And then all we have to do is hit start. But before I hit start, I definitely need to put on my safety glasses. So let me find those real quick here so that I can protect my eyes from the laser, so we don't want any accidents. All right, guys, now I have my laser glasses on. We're ready to run. This should not take very long. So what we're going to do at this point, we're just going to hit start. As you guys see here, it's going to do a quick little countdown of a few seconds, just letting you know that everything is, ready. Just hit confirm and then yes. And then you guys can see in real time, it's starting to engrave onto our drone. See if I can bring you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see exactly what that looks like. So in real time, this is how fast this fiber laser can engrave on plastic. Now your fiber laser is going to be ideal for plastic, for metal, stone. So if you're doing like some stone coasters, things like that, maybe you want to engrave onto the back of a mirror and use it for like a desktop display or something like that. But like I said, in this case, I really wanted to do something for my man, who's definitely a big fan of fireworks, and I wanted him to be able to fly this drone during his fireworks shows and capture some footage from a very unique perspective, having the drone up in flight while everything is flying. So you guys are watching this in real time while I'm talking. It is engraving. We're almost done. We're almost at the end. All right, so we're getting pretty close. Boom, we are done, guys. It is done. So I can grab this drone right now, and you guys can see how well that came out. Isn't that amazing? That's just beautiful. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick demo for you guys, demoing the LaserPecker 3, which is this fiber laser. If you're interested in this laser, you can find links in my bio or in the description. It's an Amazon link, so yes, I do make a little bit of commission off of it, but that's what keeps it, possible for me to keep making these videos. So yeah, if you're interested, guys, definitely take a look at this laser. I demo these lasers all the time on my live stream on Amazon, so feel free to come over, follow, and hang out with the community, ask your questions, and I will walk you right through any of the setup and anything that you need to know about it. All right, guys, so until the next video, everyone stay safe. Peace. I am out.